How to clear cache and cookies on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to clear cache and cookies on Facebook. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap menu icon at top right corner of the screen. To access settings, you have to select Settings and Privacy and choose Settings option. Scroll down. Under Preferences, select Browser, tap on it, and under Browsing activity, tap on Clear button next to Cookies and Cache. Now tap Clear button, and if you clear the cookies and cache from sites you have visited on Facebook will be removed from your device. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching.